Hello friends, right now I'm in Colaba and heading straight to Gateway of India. Why Gateway of India, you might be thinking, because I've shown this place before in my previous videos. But today I'm here just to capture the fury of the pounding waves. Yes, because as you know, it has been raining continuously over the last few weeks and it is monsoon time here. And every year I come to this place during this time to capture the rough sea, rough waters. I love that. It's a kind of spectacle. I want to share this with you today, so please stay tuned, okay? And right now I'm in Gateway of India, walking around this promenade, and the Taj Palace Hotel is behind me. And the sea is very rough, as you can see. So beautiful, I love that. Every year during monsoons, I love to come here to watch this spectacle. It's so amazing to watch. Witnessing this spectacle at the Gateway of India is like being transported into a magical realm where nature's elements converge in perfect harmony. A symphony of rain, waves and wind becomes an enchanting spectacle, captivating the senses and leaving an indelible mark on the souls of those lucky enough to bear witness. So the next time heavy rains grace the Gateway of India, take a moment to immerse yourself in this grand performance. Marvel at the waves as they embrace the promenade with their raw power and grace.